folks, the Honda. Quirky looking bike, this one. Just arrived with us today. Came in with a little box full of spares as well, which I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, a little bit different for you. Nice and clean across your seat. Tank looks nice and mark free. We're showing at 12,536 on the clock. Do your own checks, make sure it's right. It is running, as you can hear. There you are, you can hear it running. The numbers on there. So yeah, what a cool looking bike. You don't see one of them every day. Nice on your front mudguard. We'll make sure to get some pictures of engine and frame numbers and things like that, so you can have a look. There's a little box here. There you are, there's a little book for you there. Honda V65 MAGNA. There is original mirrors in there, it says. I haven't looked, but that's what it says. Fuel pump and just various other bits guys in there. So yeah, a couple of little goodies to go with it. So yeah, come down once our viewing opens, come and look at the bike, get in touch with the office, have a look at any paperwork. Thank you.